For today, I picked 4 ways how you can support yourself when you are tired. What to do when you are tired? Well, first of all, to do is rest. Allow yourself to rest. Stop what you're doing right now and say tomorrow is another day, and receive the time that you make available for you to rest, because it's important to listen to your body. Our body supports us with many things we do, and mostly we forget that we have legs who carry us when we are too much in our head, right? Our body does so many things to support us during just daily activities, and allow yourself to rest. And then look for situations, people that drain your energy. All right, there's people who are toxic people who literally take your energy outside of you, and the thing is, you allow it. You've got to be very honest here. You allow to spend time with those people, and the most difficult thing is when those people are really near to you, when they are in your family situation, when you really have to be very conscious of the time you give those people. You give your energy by arguing, you give your energy by blaming, shaming, you give your energy by trying to convince them to see things differently. Well, the only thing is, they're responsible for them and you're responsible for you. So overview where you give your energy to, because where you put your focus, your energy flows. And that brings me to the third point. Third point is focus on yourself. How are you able to contribute in your life to create more balance, more peace, more rest? Is just going to bed on time, putting the phone aside at some point? Is it really focusing on self-care? Focusing on self-care, the way you nurture your body, the moments you create for yourself when you can meditate, and to ground yourself. Do you do physical activities as going to the gym, walking or running or doing yoga, or just basic breathing exercises to install the, the physical benefits, so you create space in your mind and space in your body to be stronger, be more grounded. And then fourth is, if you have your goals in your head, write them on a piece of paper. Where you see yourself in 5 years from now or next year when it comes to health, wealth, relationships, and purpose. All right? And sit with pen and paper and write those out. And write those in present tense. I'm so happy and grateful now that I am living this life. I am doing this. Fill it in. I'm so happy and grateful now that money flows into my bank account on a daily basis. I'm so happy and grateful now that my body is strong and balanced and I'm flexible. It can be anything. I'm so happy and grateful that I'm surrounded by a loving, supportive partner. And I'm so happy and grateful now that I can live my purpose. It can truly be anything. Write those on paper and in present tense, and have them with you on small cards. You can put it in a plastic card carrier, so you can put it in your purse, or you can put it in your backpack, whatever. You can put it beside your bed, you can put it on your desk. And when you feel distracted, take those cards and read those out loud to you. When you go to bed, read those. When you get up in the morning, read those. Because you are creating focus for your mind, So when things come your way that distract you, you are creating for yourself a new habit of reflecting, hey, is this supportive to where I want to go? No? Okay, then, you know, that information doesn't belong to me. It's none of my business. Why would I put myself up with this, or why would I spend time for that? Then you are more conscious where you put your focus. All right. So these are 4 ways what to do when you are tired so you can recover. Because what happens when most people are tired, then they think, what I'm doing is not for me. You just build in rest, you know? You just build in rest. When people train for something, there's days where they are not allowed to train. So do you do that for your purpose? Do you do that for your work? Do you do that for your life? Allow yourself moments to rest. Even a nap of 20 minutes can make such a huge difference. Alright, or just sitting with your eyes closed and doing abdominal breathing just for 10 minutes. There's so many ways how you can contribute to allow yourself to rest and recover. So you're with renewed energies, you move forward on your journey and you learn the lessons that you need to learn, and know that, you're on your way. You're on your journey. How beautiful is that? So when you're tired, take rest and don't doubt your purpose. Don't doubt that voice inside of you that is whispering which way to go, because you know yourself best. Alright, that's it for now. If you like this video, then give it a like. If you want to share it with some friends and family who you think could benefit massively from it, then please share. Subscribe, and there's a bell sign, by the way. Click it so you'll be notified every time a new video comes out, because I'm dedicated every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 8 a.m. Central European Time to publish a new video to bring you clarity. Yes, on how to listen to your soul and how you can live your personal freedom. Because I want to see you win. Because I want to see you live your personal freedom. Yes, that's the biggest gift we can give ourselves and our beloved ones. And we only live once. Or not. That's it for now. I'm signing off. Talk to you very soon. Ciao. Bye bye.